So this is the third topic in fitting of curve. So when a curve is in the form of y is equal to ax bar b. So normally what we have done, we use normal equations and we simplified. But for this equation, we can't apply directly normal equations. So instead of that, what we need to do means first we need to remove the power. Okay, that means this x power b exponential form we need to remove it. So we all know how to remove the power means by using logarithm. So that method we're going to apply now. Now see what we have. So let y is equal to ax power b. Okay. So when you take log on both the sides, what happens? Log y to the base e is equal to log of a into x power b. Listen carefully. Just we applied log on both the sides. So to the base e we got now. So now we all know log ab is equal to log a plus log b. So this is laws of logarithms, correct? So this is one law, and another law we have log m power n is equal to n into log m or log m into n. So these both formulas we're going to apply now. These both laws we're going to use now. So is equal to, so what we get, a into x power b. So it is log a plus log x power b. So just we applied log AB formula. So A is nothing but A itself and B is nothing but x power B. So that we done here. So similarly, one more formula is there. So that is B into log x to the base E. That means we use log m power n formula. N into log m. So now here we have log y to the base E. So what we'll do, we'll take capital Y is equal to log y to the base E. And here capital A, that is log a to the base e, and capital B as b itself, and then log x to the base e, that can be taken as x. Now, so where what is nothing but y, log y to the base e. What is nothing but a, log a to the base e. And what is nothing but b, b is nothing but small b itself, and x means log small x to the base e. Okay. So now our equation is in the form of straight line representation, correct? So this curve represents a straight line, and we all know how to write a normal equation for straight line. See, so the normal equation for straight line is, normal equations are summation y is equal to n into a, because just it is constant, plus b into summation x, where n is number of entries we all know. Similarly, when you multiply by x on both the sides, summation x y, so a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Okay, so this is nothing but normal equations. And how to fit this curve means we need to substitute this a and b values. So that a and b value I'll let you know while doing the problem. Okay, so when you substitute those two values, and that is the correct fit or best fit for the curve y is equal to x for b. So we'll solve the problem. So the number of question is 8. The question is like this: fit a least square geometric curve. Fit a least square geometric curve y is equal to ax power b for the following data. For the following data. So here x and y, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, and 12.5. So this is the given data. It is easy only. Just listen carefully. See the solution. We all know. First, we need to write y is equal to given part, y is equal to ax power b. So when you take log on both the sides, you know very well So log y to the base e is equal to log a to the base e plus b into log x to the base e. Same thing. So then what will be the normal equation? Y is equal to capital Y is equal to capital A plus B into X. Correct? So where A, B, C, we all know Y is nothing but, so same thing I repeating what I wrote above. So same step. So A is equal to log A to the base C, capital B is equal to small b, and X is equal to log X to the base C. So this you know already very well. Now what will be the normal equation? So summation Y is equal to NA plus b into summation x. So this is the step we need to follow. If you not write the steps, they will not give marks. Summation x and summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Okay. So we got normal equation. Now we need to draw a table. So this you know how to do it, but little bit different when you compare it to straight line representation of table and this table. So little bit different. That difference I will show you. So first thing is we'll write small x and small y because that is the data we have. Correct? Small x and small y. And hence this is not enough because we need summation x. Correct? And then summation y. So what is nothing but capital X? Capital X is nothing but log x to the base c. Correct? And then we need capital Y. That means that summation we need. So capital Y is nothing but log small y to the base c. Correct? Similarly, xy, capital X, capital Y. So very important. This is small y, capital X, capital Y. This is also capital X, capital Y. And again, same thing, x square we need. So that I wrote here. Correct. So now we'll represent the data. What is the first value? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here it is 0.5 to 4.5, 8, and 12.5. So we'll construct a table because it will be easy to write the data. So like this we have. So this value we don't need. Summation x, small x value we don't need. But we need summation x. So that will get here. Summation x is equal to, will get here. Then summation y is equal to, will get here. And this one, summation xy is equal to, will get here. And then summation x square will get here. Okay. So these values will write now. That means when to find summation x, when you know the each and every data, you can use scientific calculus and you can give pair of x and y values and you can get the summation value. But here you don't know the value of capital X and capital Y. So how to find? First you find out the capital X value. Since it is log x to the base e, we will use ln here. Ln is nothing but log x to the base e. Okay, log to the base e. What is this log means? Log is nothing but to the base 10. So this we will not use. So we will use ln now. So see. So first we'll write down these 5 entries of capital X. So how to do means ln, what is the small x? So log x to the base, that is ln 1 is equal to, so what is the value we got? 0. So write down 0 here. Next, ln 2 is equal to 0.6931. So 0.6931. Next, ln 3, so that is 1.0986. So 1.0986. So whatever values we are getting, we are writing it for. So same thing, ln 4, 1.3862. So likewise, everyone should do the problem. The next, ln 5, so 1.6094. Correct. So we got all the x values. We'll go for y. Okay. So same thing, y data we have here, small y, and capital Y we can use by giving ln and 0.5. So ln 0.5 minus 0.6931. So minus 0.6931. Next, ln 2, 0.6931. Next, ln, what is the value we have? 4.5. So 1.50407. 407 we can write it as 41. Okay, this 1.5041. Since we are taking 4 decimals, so we can write like that. Next, ln 8, 2.0794. Next, ln 12.5, 2.5257. Okay, so we got all the values now. Now what values we need? Summation x, summation y, summation xy, and summation xy. So this you know how to do. We need to shift here. You need to press. It will give all. It will give all. So that number is 3. So you need to reset all. So when you reset like this, you'll get, and press mode for 2 times. It will show regression. So press 2, and it will show linear log exponential. So for second degree parabola, we use it quad. Since it is straight line equation, what we need to take? Linear, correct? So 1. So I press. So I got the display like this. So which values I need to give? Not this value, smaller and smaller. We need summation x minus summation y. So this pair of values we need to give. Okay. So that write down. Give the value 0, comma minus 0.6931. Correct. So first value I have given. So n is equal to 1. Next value 0.6931, comma 0.6931. So m plus, so 2 entries. Third entry 1.0986, comma 1.5041. M plus, so 3 data. Fourth one 1.3862, comma 2.0794. M plus, so 4 data. Fifth data 1.6094. So slowly only I am doing. So you need to follow no. So comma 2.5257. M plus, so number of entries are 5. So shift 1, summation x, shift 1. Okay, after doing that, shift 1 you need to press, and summation x is 2. So press 2 and equal. So it is 4.7873. So it is 4.7873. And summation y, shift 1. Yeah, summation y here we have. When you forward button, when you press forward button, it will show you. So when you press equals after pressing 2, it will give 6.1096. Next one. So I need xy. So here we have, so 3, 9.08001. Next one, x square I need no. So in the beginning itself it is at 1 equals 6.1990. 2. So it is 6.19902 can be written as 3. The highest number is it. So these are the values I got. So once again I'll write now because I need to find small a and small b. So when you substitute these values in normal equations, so what we'll get? So when you substitute those two values, We'll get summation y first. So summation y is equal to NA. First we'll write RHS part. NA, N is nothing but how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of entries are 5. So 5 capital A plus B into summation x. Summation x is 9 point, not 9 point, 4.7873 B is equal to summation y. Summation y is 6.1093. Whatever values are there, we are writing that. That's all. So next, summation xy. Summation xy, we'll write it later. Before that, a into summation x, that is 4.7873a plus b summation x square, that is 6.1993 b is equal to 9.0801. Correct? Everyone got this? So now we go for a and b. So this you know how to find by giving the values. So mode 1, so mode for 3 times it will be equation. So how many unknowns are there? 1, 2, a and b. So 2. Okay, now a1. a1 is 5 equals b1 4.7873 equals c1, that is 6.1092 equals a2. 4.7873 equals b2, 6.1993 equals c2, that is 9.0801 equals. So what is the value of x? X is nothing but capital E. So capital E is minus 0.6927. Okay. Next, once again I'll set the value. Okay. Okay, whatever values you are getting, you can write it. A1 5 4.7 6.7093 4.7 0.69. So y value, that is b value. So capital B is equal to 1.9999. So it is 2 we can take. 1.9 as approximately 2 we can take. So capital A is nothing but what? Capital A is nothing but log small a to the base c. So we need a. So when you multiply exponential on both the sides, exponential log will get cancelled to give a into e power minus 0.6927. This small b, capital B is nothing but small b. So small b is. So how to use this? Shift ln you need to press. Shift ln, open bracket. No need to use index. If you use index, it is on. Index, you should not use index. So open bracket minus 0.6927 close the bracket equal. So what the value we got? 0.5002. 0.5002. Okay. So we can write like this. So this is the small a value. Next, small b value is 2. Correct. So we got a and b. Now substitute in y is equal to ax power b. So y is equal to, what is the a value? 0.502 into x power, what is the b value? 2. So this is the answer. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. in this problem. The exponential how to take means you need to press shift and ln. It will give e so that you can do it. So one problem I did. So another problem is there in your note. I'll give the question, so you need to solve it. But now in this question, those who have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll give the data. So everyone should do by this evening. You need to send me. The only data I'll give. The full question it is there in your note. P is nothing but speed. Life is nothing but speed. 350, 400, 500 and 600. Here it is 61, 26, 7 and 2.6. Okay. Second question it is V is equal to A into T power B. See, V is nothing but Y, student. V is nothing but Y. A will be there as it is. And this is nothing but X power B. Okay. So in this form it is there. So you can't replace for X and Y. Instead of that, you keep V itself and T itself. So what we will get means capital V, this is small v. Capital V is equal to A plus dt. So like this you will get equation. For this equation, you need to find the normal equations and you should get the value. Okay, this is for homework. You just do it. By this evening, you need to send. I'll share the classroom link and you can post it there. So don't copy. So that is waste of time. So do it by yourself. Anything, anyhow, you have calculation, you know how to do the method. So you can follow it. So same thing for straight line, how we followed, like that we did. Only thing you should know how to take log a to the base e. That means that value log x, log y to the base e value. So you should press ln and you should press for x data to get x value, capital X value, and similarly capital Y value means ln and small y data you need to give. Just stop the recording. So now those who have any doubts, you can ask me.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, finding that